The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel is a book that explores the complex relationship that people have with money. Housel delves into the psychological and behavioral factors that influence our attitudes towards money and how we make financial decisions. In this book, he provides insights, anecdotes and research that can help readers understand their relationship with money and how to make better financial decisions. Chapter 1. No One's Crazy. The first chapter begins by introducing the premise that everyone has their own unique experiences and perspectives when it comes to money. Housel explains that our views on money are shaped by our upbringing, personal experiences, and societal norms. He goes on to explain that there is no one right way to think about money, and that everyone's approach is shaped by their own unique circumstances. Chapter 2. Luck and Risk. In the second chapter, Housel discusses the role of luck and risk in shaping our financial outcomes. He notes that while some people are born into advantageous financial circumstances, luck can also play a significant role in our financial success or failure. Housel highlights the importance of understanding the concept of risk and how it relates to financial decisions. Chapter 3. Never Enough. Chapter 3 examines the concept of never enough when it comes to money. Housel explains that humans have an innate desire for more, which can lead to a cycle of never-ending financial striving. He notes that this mindset can lead to irrational financial decisions and can negatively impact our overall well-being. Chapter 4. Confounding Compounding. Compounding is a powerful force in finance, but it can be difficult for people to understand. Chapter 4 explores the concept of compounding and how it can lead to significant wealth accumulation over time. Housel emphasizes that small changes in financial behavior can have a big impact on financial outcomes thanks to the power of compounding. Chapter 5. Getting Wealthy versus Staying Wealthy. In Chapter 5, Housel explores the difference between getting wealthy and staying wealthy. He notes that while there are many ways to become wealthy, it's much harder to maintain that wealth over time. He discusses the importance of understanding your own personal financial goals and developing a plan to achieve those goals. Chapter 6. Tails, You Win. Chapter 6 explores the concept of tail events in finance. These are rare, extreme events that can have a major impact on financial outcomes. Housel notes that these events are unpredictable, but they can be managed through diversification and preparation. Chapter 7. Freedom. In Chapter 7, Housel examines the concept of financial freedom. He notes that financial freedom is less about reaching a certain level of wealth and more about having the ability to make choices without being constrained by financial obligations. Housel discusses the importance of having a clear sense of purpose when it comes to money, as well as the benefits of living a simple, frugal lifestyle. Chapter 8. Man in the Car Paradox. The final chapter examines the concept of the man in the car paradox. Housel notes that while money can provide material comfort, it doesn't necessarily lead to happiness. He emphasizes the importance of finding a balance between financial security and personal fulfillment, noting that money should be used as a tool to enable a fulfilling life rather than an end in and of itself. Here are some additional details about the book. One of the key themes of the book is that personal finance is more about behavior and psychology than it is about math. Housel notes that while financial literacy is important, it's not the only factor that determines financial success. He argues that understanding our own biases, emotions, and habits is just as important as understanding the numbers and technical aspects of finance. Throughout the book, Housel draws on a wide range of examples and anecdotes to illustrate his points. He explores the financial behaviors and attitudes of everyone from Warren Buffett to the ancient Romans, and he uses these stories to help readers understand the complex and often contradictory nature of our relationship with money. Housel also emphasizes the importance of humility and perspective when it comes to money. He notes that financial success is often the result of a combination of luck, timing, and hard work, and he encourages readers to be mindful of their own good fortune and the role that luck has played in their lives. In addition to exploring the psychological and behavioral aspects of personal finance, Housel also provides practical advice and insights on a variety of financial topics, such as saving, investing, and managing debt. He emphasizes the importance of developing a long-term financial plan that is tailored to your own personal circumstances and goals. Overall, The Psychology of Money is a well-written and engaging book that offers valuable insights into the complex and often perplexing world of personal finance. It's a must-read for anyone who wants to develop a deeper understanding of their own relationship with money and make better financial decisions. If you like this summary, then subscribe to my channel, and if you want to purchase this book, check out the link given in description box. Thanks for watching.